Understanding the meaning of showpiece in English. Welcome, English language learners. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into the meaning of a commonly used English phrase, showpiece. Have you ever heard someone use this term and wondered what it really means? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use this phrase in your own conversations. Let's get started. Showpiece is a noun in English that refers to something, usually an object or a creation, that is displayed to attract attention and admiration. It's not just any ordinary item. A showpiece is something remarkable, often because of its beauty, uniqueness, or artistic value. Imagine a beautifully crafted sculpture in a museum or an intricately designed piece of jewelry. These are perfect examples of showpieces. Understanding the meaning is one thing, but knowing how to use showpiece in sentences is equally important. Let's look at a few examples to grasp its usage better. Example 1. The antique clock on the mantelpiece was the showpiece of their living room. Example 2. Her latest painting was a real showpiece, attracting art enthusiasts from all around the city. In these sentences, showpiece emphasizes the significance and attention-grabbing nature of the items being described. The concept of showpieces is not limited to physical objects. It can also be applied to events, performances, or even skills. In many cultures, certain traditional dances, songs, or crafts are considered showpieces, representing the essence of that culture's artistic heritage. While showpiece is a widely used term, there are several synonyms you can use depending on the context. Some common alternatives include centerpiece, masterpiece, or highlight. Each of these words carries a slightly different nuance, so it's essential to choose the one that best fits the situation you're describing. And there you have it, English language learners. You've learned all about the meaning of showpiece in English. Remember, it's not just an ordinary item, it's something extraordinary meant to captivate and impress. As you continue your language learning journey, don't hesitate to incorporate this fantastic word into your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable English language lessons. Happy learning!